This Remax Realtec Group property video is presented by Sahar Andolino. First floor condo in beautiful Tuscany at Innisbrook, 3-bedroom, 2 full bathrooms, 2 screened patios, all wood flooring in the living areas and master bedroom, crown molding, inside laundry with washer and dryer and 1-car oversized garage. Living room with separate dining area, split bedroom plan with large master suite with walk-in closet and full bathroom with tub/shower. Amenities include 2 heated pools, spa, clubhouse, fitness center, tennis, car wash, playground, basketball and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Sahar Andolino at 727-434-0201.